keep that innovative spirit, the problem solving. I mean, we solve it on a daily basis, just to have a regular day like Nikhil was talking about. But we don't use that to solve much larger problems that are surrounding us and doing something much more meaningful, not just for ourselves, but for the larger ecosystem.
Thanks, Ravi. So for highlighting that the demographics of India and the skills which are residing much beyond, Tier 1 metropolis cities, and the problems which are being solved as we speak on daily basis, and how some of us are becoming blind to it. I can relate to it. We've actually worked with Uttarakhand government to take the innovation to the hills of Uttarakhand. I remember when we started, there were 11 startups in Uttarakhand, Dehradun. And 9 months later, once we were through the program midway, there were 43 startups. Most of them are from the Pahads, nothing from Dehradun actually. So the spirit itself is very much alive. The propulsion of them into the next league is where probably we have to do, and also the product managers part. Those people can be a good funnel to create the product managers of tomorrow. Dr. Nikhil, coming to you, do you really think when you come up, let's say Zolo or something else, do you find the skills you need to, or are you willing to accept a non-Angreji speaking, very highly skilled guy?
The way we have built our team, we actually have more of these non-Angreji speaking people. So for us, we believe in more internal grooming. So I haven't gotten most of my leadership directly from outside. So I believe in observing. So it's a little slower way of building an aggressive startup. So, but that's a trade-off I personally am comfortable with, because I believe that there is one thing called innovative idea, but there is another thing called building an organization around it. You can have a lot of innovative ideas. I have 10 innovative ideas standing today around housing itself. Then I have 20 around education, and then the list can go on, right? And I think everybody has those ideas. But there is a piece of building a organization which will sustain the test of time, which will create value, which will last, which will provide it all its stakeholders, customers, employees, investors of various shapes and forms, early investors, public investors when they come, create some value for all of them. And that's something, I think that skill, that mindset is something which I believe is yet to develop. Is going to take some time, because the people who have this skill are probably not coming in the startup world, because this skill is something that requires experience, maturity. This skill requires like you need somebody who's seen this organizational songs and dances. Like I started building organization from first principles. And I can tell you, like my biggest failures in last 5 years have none of them about an idea or market. Because as an entrepreneur, you're out there. आप सड़कों पे घूम रहे हो, आपको पता है what works in the market, what doesn't work, because you're out there on the road. You're not so distanced from the customer or the product. But I have made criminal mistakes in building the organization, because I just did not know how to build one, because I was always part of getting built. Like somebody is building an organization and I am part of that puzzle, but I am not the guy who knows how all of this is working. I think that talent, we strongly need to encourage that talent, which is currently in corporates, who knows how to build organizations, to take slightly bolder risks. It's okay if you will not, your company will take you back. Even if worst come worst, aapke paas roti kapda makan ho jayega. So I think that's one piece which I strongly miss, because I am a fanatic about thinking through organizational culture, organizational behavior, long-term sustainability, thinking through, you have an idea. Yes, a lot of people have ideas. Like I always tell my people when they say, "Sir, ek idea laya hu," and my answer is always, "Ki idea to sabke paas hai, ye bata hoga kya iska? What is the team? Who is going to own it? What are the KPIs? Have you thought through the KPIs? Is the plan that you're going to build creates a perverse incentive structure around it or not? Who are the collaborators? How are you going to ensure the collaboration happens? People don't cheat each other. People don't fight with each other." So these are the questions that are required for any innovation to take off the ground.